Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to watch TikTok on PC. So first of all, open any web browser and search tiktok.com and press enter. Now here is the option watch now. Just click on it. So here you will find the trending videos. Here some popular creators on the TikTok platform, and almost you will find all things which you use on mobile. So that's it. Like this you can watch TikTok video on PC. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.